In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma frames to Replit after adding one. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a single frame from your Figma design and bring it into your existing Replit project using the Replit agent, so your app stays organized and consistent. Start in Figma with the specific frame you want to add. Make sure you've actually selected the frame in the Layers panel or by clicking its title on the canvas. This matters because the link you're about to copy should point to the frame itself, not the entire file or a group inside it. Right-click the frame, go to Copy Paste As, and choose Copy Link to Selection. This creates a URL scoped to that exact frame, which helps the agent fetch the correct design data. While you're here, it's a good idea to give the frame a clear name, like pricing page or sidebar, so the generated code and file names are easier to understand later. Now switch to your existing Replit project. Open the Replit agent, which is the AI chat panel. Paste the Figma frame URL directly into the chat. The agent recognizes links to specific frames and uses that to pull design details. If your project is already running, you can keep it open. The agent will modify files and you'll see changes appear as it works. Along with the link, provide a precise instruction so the agent knows what to do with the frame. You might say, add this frame as a new page in my app, or integrate this design into my current navigation, or generate the React code for this frame and link it to the home button. The more specific you are about page names, routes, or components, the better the result. If you're using a particular stack like React with a specific router, include that in your prompt so the agent wires things up in the right place. After you send your prompt, review the changes the agent makes. It will use the Figma integration to read the design data from your frame link and generate code inside your project. Watch the file tree for new pages, components, styles, or routes. Open the preview to confirm layout, spacing, and interactions look right, and check that navigation updates actually lead to your new page. If something's off, reply in the chat with targeted follow-ups like adjusting a component name, moving a file, or updating a route path. Small, clear requests help the agent refine the output quickly. That's it. Copy the frame link, paste it into the Replit agent, give a clear instruction, and review the generated changes. Repeat this flow for each new frame you want to bring in, and your app will grow cleanly, one piece at a time.